to bird paradise. Wow. Peter, how are you? You're looking at the fountain very serious, you know. Looking at what thing, Peter? Wow! Very big, very big, very big, very big bee. Oh, 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 oh.
What is it?
What is it? Wow, very nice. My turn, my turn. Whoa. Oh.
At night, I'd fly up to the moon and walk above the clouds, although impossible to do. If I had superpowers, I'd do things people couldn't. I'd make myself invisible and walk through walls.
Okay, we are inside the heart of Africa.
He's shy. He's shy.
I'd make a bubble around me to keep out heat and cold. And if I had the chance, I might choose never to get old. And if I had 3 wishes, of course I'd wish for more. And then I would be living my dreams, as that's what they are for. Doodle-dee-bop, doodle-dee-bop, doodle-yay. If I could really walk above the clouds, that's what I'd want to
Big egg, big egg, small egg, yes, medium egg. Ayo, ayo.
hanging on to clouds, like we don't have a care in the world. Ooh, we smile, we sing, we laugh, sway,
Ayo.
jumping over colors, then floating down to earth with our umbrellas. And with our umbrellas,
Ayo.
almost as we land.
Peter, where's the color of the egg?
We skip, we dance, you and I.
I don't know why I'm in here. Yeah.
The candles, the balloons. Everyone is here, play the party tune. A happy birthday to me. A happy birthday to me.
Sky Amphitheatre. So they have a show starting soon in about 10-15 minutes time. Hello.
day.
Hi.
There's a blue sky up above. It brings to mind. There's a blue sky up above. It brings to mind a few things that I love. There's a blue sky up above. It brightens up my day. There's a sun shining down on me. Light so I can see. There's a sun shining down on me. It brightens up my day. There's some music playing I can hear. Lots of notes to bring me some cheer. There's some music playing I can hear. It brightens up my day. It brightens
Very
up
nice.
my day.
Yeah. We are exiting.
I was born in the sea of Pisces, the 12th house of graduation. Rocked in the arms of Neptune under a scorpionic sky. My lily swam in the dark waters of Libra's playground. Then I swam towards my rising sign of Scorpio. No planet there to guide me, lost in the vast expanse. I learned its lessons. Now do you think you will break me? Ooh, ooh, yeah. Yeah, I was born in the sea of Pisces, the 12th house of graduation.